Hey everybody, Jeff here for CommWizard. Welcome to our video on the Queries tab. Before we get started, I'd like to take a little time to explain exactly what a query is, or more specifically, how CommWizard utilizes queries. I'm going to make the bold assumption that somewhere on your computer there is a list of recipients that you'd like to communicate with. Your list might be in an Excel worksheet, in a CSV file, or in an Access database. So a query in CommWizard is simply a link to your list. Now that we've got that out of the way, let's go ahead and demonstrate how easy it is to link to your list. We'll start this process by clicking on the Add Query button. Next, we will indicate the type of list we are linking to. And in our example today, we've selected an Excel workbook as our file type, so we will navigate to the Excel workbook and select it, and then choose from the list of worksheet names. The final step is to name our query and optionally provide a brief description. And as you can see, our query is now added to the list of queries. A nice feature in CommWizard is the ability to rename fields in a query to something more user-friendly, something people using the query might better understand. In the customer's query that we just created, there is a field named DOLO, D-O-L-O, which stands for Date of Last Order. So let's alias that and make that field a little more intuitive. Field mapping is the final step to make our query useful to CommWizard. Field mapping instructs CommWizard on where to find data CommWizard requires for a communication. For instance, if we're going to ask CommWizard to send an email, we would first need to map an email address field. Likewise, for a text message, we would have to map a mobile phone number field. In our example here today, we'll go ahead and map a postal address. So in review, we have connected to an external data source, made the data source much easier to understand using field aliasing, and trained CommWizard on how to find a complete postal address within the data source. Creating a report is the next step. If you haven't already, watch our 4-minute video on the Report Wizard. I hope this video has been helpful, and if there is anything we can do to help more, please leave a comment below or visit our website at commwizard.com. Be sure to subscribe and click on the notify button to receive video updates. Thanks everybody.